Seva map. And whereas if you see in their maps which they have done, it is just this boundary which is there. Now forget about the survey numbers, the areas to be marked. The name of a village itself is not marked. Sidichan सगळे villages दाखवल्या फकत आमचे ना. So you can make out so much of lapses there in their planning system. So we request you all to come to our village level, sit with us and do this plan. आमचो plan होय. This is the plan, the way it has to be. Not just the boundaries. We know what is a boundary. भितर किती हा ते कोणाक कळतो ना.
And it is an island.
The authorities,
This is there with every panchayat.
Exactly.
Every panchayat has this type of a plan.
So they have
In
not
every
taken that
village.
into consideration while confirming and finalizing their plan. How is that? So obviously it's fraudulent, and now they are trying to do this consultation for the sake of doing it.
And when we ask them to show us our village, they don't have an answer to that.
Precisely.
They had given you all any time to explain this?
They had given us a time to explain, but if we don't know where is the village is not shown on their
How
plans.
can we
How
put
are we in a position to tell them
Tell
what
them
is the problem in the
problem in
map?
the village.
How are we going to explain it to the people? How do you expect the people to come to you with their objection when it is not mapped
mentioned.
on your plan?
No, but the plan is basically sent to the panchayat level. So now what are the panchayats doing?
If the panchayat does not have
His
the
name on the
name
plan.
on the plan, आमचे पंचायतीचे नाव प्लॅनार त्यांच्या ना. No, मॅप्स येयल्या, मॅप्स आमकां धाडल्या. बोंडाली हा, Kandola ha, Nyora, Diwar, everything is there. But this is not there. This is Satisteva, which is not in their plan.
म्हणून 2 crore दिल्या म्हणटा पळय ते मॅपां करपाक एटली मॅपां करपाक दिल्या
हे आमचे
एटली
पंचायत.
मॅपां इवन नेम इज नॉट देयर and it is an island, so island it is 60-70% is Kazan land, very sensitive, very fragile, so many crocodile habitat is there, bird nesting sites are there, fish breeding sites are there. Island, you can imagine how it is. It's surrounded by the coast, but nothing is shown here.
So you wasted our 2 crores worth of money, which is our money
And
only
what-
anyway. So you wasted
So
the
what
money.
plan have you done with 2 crores?
They have done something of this type. This is Santistevaचे तसे डोंगरी गाव. So now this is Ajasi Mandur village. This is Dongri village. आणि हांगा actually जुवारी river आसा. And earlier high tide was here. Now the high tide line has been brought directly here in the village रस्त्याचेर. So entire village is in the CRZ1. आणि हे पळय other major problem is all these green patches which you see are actually आता they are shown as mangroves here. No doubt they are right now mangroves, but हे mangroves नाशिले. शेताची पाडंग पडल्या because of non-cultivation. Because of that mangroves have grown. But these are Khazan land. So today if on this plan they are confirmed as mangroves, tomorrow it will be difficult for us to again take to farming. So this has to be corrected, and this has to be corrected by going on the ground. This has not been done. Somebody has said somewhere by looking at the imagery, they have classified it as Khazan mangroves, which is wrong. So this is everywhere this has happened. So these two issues, one is the high tide line has been brought directly. Earlier there was no issue for village. आता हे जर पास जाय जाल्यार every house कितेंय बारीक सुद्दां करीत जाल्यार we have to take CRZ permission, which will not be possible. So these are the major issues हांगा आसा ते, आनी सगळे ते सांगता तशे प्लॅन खूब नांवां एका विलेजीचे आसा, प्लॅन भलत्याच विलेजीस आसा. I try to find all the maps of all the Santanre villages. थोड्या विलेजीचे मॅप ना, दुसऱ्याच नांवान आसा. When you download you get the same map. इतले प्रॉब्लेम आसा. I think they also not checked the veracity of these maps. So somebody has to see it in eyes Malsa presentation. They should have brought some of these maps, and they should have displayed it here. People could have asked questions based on that. This is a simple thing. Gram Panchayatit map धाडल्या, ते calendar कशे खंय तरी लायल्या. People they don't know how to read these legends. They don't know how to interpret these maps. First, they training दिवपा जाय लोकांक. Then people will be able to make suggestions.